Welcome to this beautiful new construction home here in Tampa, Florida. Just minutes from Midtown, downtown, and the airport, with the desirable schools in the area. Features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2-car garage, premium fixtures, undermount sinks throughout, heated mirrors throughout, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, unbelievable landscaping. Come inside and take a look. Right off the front door, there's a beautiful study area / bedroom. Generous walk-in closet. This bathroom right off the front bedroom here. Nice, beautiful glass surround stand-up shower, pedestal sink, heated mirror, This home features a beautiful open concept, nice line of sight all the way from the kitchen through to the living room. You and your guests aren't going to miss a moment of the action while you're entertaining and they're in town visiting. Here off the living room, underneath the staircase, no space is wasted as a nice little storage area, taking advantage of all the room. Coming upstairs, you can see a nice, beautiful, modern handrail. Great views of the local neighborhood. Right down the street, there's the highly sought after Magnet K-8 school. Moving up the stairs, first turning left, this is one of the bedrooms off the front of the home. As you can see, it's got plenty of space for any size bed. A nice generous closet, ceiling fan, great views of the local neighborhood. private entrance into the front bathroom, shared by the other bedroom. This is a 2-sink bathroom, one for each bedroom. Each one comes with a heated mirror, enclosed water closet, providing lots of privacy. This beautiful stand-up shower has a hand shower, makes it easier for cleaning and washing, recessed soap dish, premium fixtures. Moving through the bathroom into the other side of the home, you'll notice an identical bedroom in the front of the home. These bedrooms are quite large, can accommodate any size bed, wonderful views of the neighborhood, great access to the rest of the home, and private entrance into that front bathroom. Moving back into the hallway, up at the upstairs landing area, you'll find ample space for a nice little play area for the kids, office space to work in, possible entertainment center. This is a great little space. Designed correctly, it can be utilized extremely well throughout this home. Moving through, here towards the back of the home, you have a junior master suite. This features a large, oversized bedroom, again accommodating any size bed, plenty of room for entertainment and dressers. It does have its own ensuite bathroom, complete with a tub shower, premium fixtures, upgraded countertops, heated mirror, ample lighting, hand shower for cleaning and washing, recessed soap dish, moving through the bathroom into the walk-in closet provides ample storage for all your clothing and accessories. Also dressing in between the bathroom and the closet as to not disturb the other person that might be sleeping in the other room. All the bathrooms in the home feature premium undermount sinks. Moving back into the landing above the stairs and towards the master bedroom. Walking into the master bedroom. This bedroom is very generous size, featuring an oversized bed, quite the little sanctuary if you need to get away. Ample natural light comes through, full views of the neighborhood, beautiful greenery, beautiful overlook of the sunshine that comes in throughout the day, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, and its own ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet has everything you could possibly need, with a nice beautiful vanity tub with hand shower, premium tile throughout, premium fixtures throughout, undermount sinks, plenty of storage, water closet with a nice elongated toilet, heated mirrors, giant walk-in closet for all your clothing and accessories, oversized walk-in closet can handle all your clothing and accessories, plus plenty of space to dress as to not disturb anybody in the other rooms. The stand-up shower with a glass surround features premium tile, recessed soap dish, again a hand shower for cleaning and washing. Heated mirrors adorn each vanity with beautiful undermount sinks, great premium faucets, plenty of storage for all your accessories and grooming needs, excellent views outside, plenty of natural light. You can really see yourself relaxing in this vanity tub after a hard day. Back to the master bedroom, this sanctuary provides plenty of space to get away from anyone else in the home or unwind from a very stressful day. Off the master bedroom, you have the walk-in washer and dryer area. Features plenty of space, plenty of storage. Check out this beautiful view all throughout the open concept of the home as I move down the staircase. This gorgeous open concept kitchen features premium fixtures, stainless steel appliances, great undermount sink, range hood, generous oversized island in the center, dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, large gooseneck faucet. This will be really a chef's dream as they're cooking up a wonderful meal for the rest of the family, able to interact with everybody across the room. Again, the recessed lighting provides ample lighting throughout the home. The chandeliers match all the rest of the fixtures, really keep a premium feel throughout the rest of the home. Walking outside of this $1 million backyard, these trees have been here for many generations, look beautiful, strong and sturdy. Trees like this you're unable to plant and grow very quickly, add great character and beauty to any home in the area. Moving back into the home, the recessed pantry is adorned by a beautiful farm-style sliding door. Inside you'll find ample storage space for all your kitchen needs. Check out this oversized 2-car garage. This garage features a large space for 2 vehicles, plenty of space for all your tools, home accessories, all those things that the family enjoys, plenty of area to work on any sort of projects.